Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a Mexican cuisine. Featuring soft tortillas rolled around a savory filling and smothered in a rich, spicy sauce. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as enchiladas, enchiladas, das, enchiladas. Enchiladas are often enjoyed as a hearty meal for lunch or dinner and are a popular choice at family gatherings and festive occasions. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about enchiladas, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.